this afternoon with another severe weather update, and I fixed some of my tech issues here, so hopefully you can hear me. And if you can't hear me, let me know. We do have another severe thunderstorm warning for the Columbus metro area. This is now going to run until 5:45 for a significant portion of Franklin County, including downtown Columbus and pretty much everywhere south of about Morse Road. So that's going to include the vast majority of Franklin County. So that still includes Grove City. But we also have some strong wind and even some large hail impacting the Grandview and Upper Arlington area right now. And this is about to impact downtown Columbus. So by about, I mean it's pretty much straight there. Places like Bexley and Whitehall, you'll see that here in the next 10 minutes. Gahanna, maybe about 10 to 15 minutes, including the John Glenn International Airport. Reynoldsburg, Bryce, maybe you're looking at about 15 minutes or so. So this is a strong thunderstorm. In fact, it's impacting overhead at my house right now. We had some pretty gusty wind about 5 minutes ago. I'm just north of Grove City for reference, and the rain's really coming down. So, but the strongest part of the storm is this hail potential down here near the Lockbourne area. That's not far from Rickenbacker Airport. Scioto Downs is down here. State Route 104 that runs south and northbound along and almost parallel to 23 and 71, where you see the black on the map. That is going to be where the hail threat is the most. So again, State Route 665, State Route 104, US 23, just north of the Pickaway County line, some large hail threat, and also some hail threat here near Upper Arlington, Valley View, Grandview Heights, and then eventually downtown Columbus. So anyone that's going to be traveling on 315, I am sure traffic is not great right now. I cannot imagine this is a good situation. And I'm actually going to try to see if I can find some cameras here of the situation on 315 at the moment in the area. Traffic looks okay, surprisingly, at 315 in Goodale. Really, yeah, it's actually not as bad as I thought it is yet. But this is really going to be rolling through here very soon. What I can do is I can put, let's see if I can put a capture of the ODOT camera here. That's what I'm going to try to do for you guys here, because I think it's good to see what's going on. There it is, and we're going to try to make it look a little better. Put it into frame. So again, this is the ODOT camera, State Route 315 and 670. So we'll move that up here into the corner and stretch it a little bit. Okay, there we go. Perfect. So again, this is showing you the area that I'm talking about with the threat for large hail and also damaging wind too. Let's take a look at our wind velocity. And here it is. Okay, so the strongest threat for wind is actually in two different spots. I do see some gusty wind here indicated by the oranges and yellows on the map just north of Obetz. So this is going to be the South Freeway here, State Route 104, that connects 71 with 33. So it's going to be a gusty ride there. And then down here, again, not only with the large hail threat near Lockbourne and Rickenbacker Airport, Scioto Downs, places like that, but you're also going to have the high wind potential as well. And you can see the rain now coming in on our ODOT camera here. So the rain is coming in there on 315. Hopefully that won't cause too much traffic trouble. But why don't we take a look further south, exactly where this is happening. Let's see. See, we have a camera down here. There is a camera here at Scioto Downs, and it is not working. It looks like the camera has not worked since July 7th, so about a week it's been down. Why don't we try 71 near Grove City? Okay, so here's 71 near Hoover Road in Grove City. Looks very wet. but no damage. Some pooled water along the road and no major traffic. Let's see what else. We've got this camera. Oh, yeah. All right, here we go. Here's some traffic. This is at Rathmel Road and High Street, so that's US 23. Let me see if I can put the labels on there for you guys so you can see. There we go. Yeah, Rathmel and High Street on the south side of Columbus there. Right where the damaging wind threat is right now. So I can see why traffic might be snarled, but plus it's rush hour too, so not a good situation there. So yeah, that is where it is. Why don't we take a look at where it's going and zoom out. I think I'm going to turn off the window capture for the moment so that way we can kind of get a better look at where it's going. We also have a couple smaller storms near Alexandria and Johnstown in Licking County. We also have quite a heavy downpour along State Route 16 near Hanover. That's east of Newark. But these storms are heading to the east at about 35 miles per hour. So if you're in Licking County, Pataskala, you are in the severe thunderstorm warning. Pickerington, Canal Winchester, Lithopolis, and Carroll, all in the severe thunderstorm warning. That would be Pataskala in Licking County, and then Pickerington, Lithopolis, Carroll in Fairfield County. So all of you folks should at least be prepared for some gusty wind, some potential large hail, and certainly some heavy rain that is moving through the core of the Columbus metro area. But if you're on the north side of Columbus, you're okay. Westerville's good. Worthington's okay. Dublin, Powell, Plain City, even Hilliard in pretty good shape right now. The northern fringe of Upper Arlington is okay, but the southern fringe of Upper Arlington near OSU. In fact, why don't we do that? Why don't we look at some cameras near Ohio State? I know it is summer, and the bulk of the students are not on campus right now, but it doesn't hurt to. Ooh, here we go. Here's a good camera. This is Neal at 5th Avenue, so we can see just how heavy the rain is coming down near campus right now. So this is Neal and 5th. Whew, it's really coming down there. We could also check on campus. This is going to be Neal and 9th. So it looks like there's some standing water in the middle of Neal Avenue there. So yeah, this is where it's impacting at the moment. Let's check North Campus. North Campus is doing better. Looks like, that is from this morning. That is not an up-to-date camera. Okay. This one, though, is up to date. This is 315 at Ackerman. Not bad there. I think that's just north of the gusty wind threat there at Ackerman Road. So, all right. So again, just to recap, I am having a few issues, so I don't know how much longer I'm going to be able to stream. But I just wanted to let you know about this severe thunderstorm warning for Franklin, Licking, and Fairfield County until 5:45. That includes Pataskala, Pickerington, and Carroll, Reynoldsburg, Gahanna, Obetz, Bryce, Groveport, and the city of Columbus, and anywhere in between. Right now, though, it's downtown Columbus that's probably seeing the largest impacts from this storm right now. With some, here we go. Here's 670 at Neal Avenue, looking pretty backed up there. Some heavy rain coming through just during rush hour. So that's what we have on the docket right now. So stay safe if you are in the Columbus Metro. Elsewhere, we do have some storms, but no other severe thunderstorms right now. Although we do have some storms out here near Springfield, Enon, Clifton, and Yellow Springs, South Solon, north side of Xenia, and then we also do have a strong thunderstorm south of Waynesville and north of Mara. That's right along I-71 in Warren County. So if you're familiar with the Jeremiah Morrow Bridge, the rest area that's there, that's the stretch of 71 I'm talking about when it comes to that. So, all right, well, I'm going to have to end the stream here, unfortunately. Yes, no rotation. This is a straight line wind threat. And it looks like we got an update from the Weather Service, so I'll stick with you guys here just to tell you what this update says really quick. Update. Let me refresh. Yeah, it's still moving east at 35 miles an hour. So really no change. It's going to expire at 5:45 as it moves into the eastern Columbus metro area. All right, well, thank you guys all for watching. Stay safe out there, and we're going to keep you up